Hello, everybody. We are on the Holland America Zaandam, and I wanted to do a quick tour of our room. And look at this, we've got portals. So this is an ocean view room here on board the Holland America Zaandam. We've got a double bed. These can be converted into twin beds, which is very nice. There's our window. I'm going to turn here. We've got a mirror. We've got a nice TV, which is great. Over on this side, we've got a chair that you can sit in and relax. We've got plenty of storage space along this wall. And then if I come this way, we've got our bathroom. And this bathroom I like because it has a shower. So some of these ships, the older ships, have tubs, and this one does not. It has a bathroom. So we're very excited to go on this ship, the Holland America Zaandam, as we take a 8-day cruise down to the Baja, California. And we'll be stopping in Cabo, Pichalingua, La Paz, and Laredo. So come with us as we sail to Mexico on board the Holland America Zaandam.